Delete temporary files. First, delete the temporary files on your PC. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run box located in the left-hand corner of your screen. Type temp in the box and click OK. A new folder will open showing a list of temporary files and folders. Select all the items by pressing Ctrl+A and then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete them. Confirm your actions by clicking Yes. If you are prompted, check the box to skip any remaining files, then close the window. Ranger. Restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and choose Restart. Check if the issue is resolved. If not, try restarting your computer. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Go to Local Disk, see Smiley Face, and then find the Windows folder. Scroll down and look for System32. Open the System32 folder. Since there are many files inside, it's faster to use the search bar at the top right corner of the window. Type ctfmon.exe to locate the file. Once you find it, right-click on ctfmon.exe and select Send to Desktop. Create shortcut. This will place a shortcut of the file on your desktop. Add the shortcut to the Startup folder now. Press the Windows key and R key again to bring up the Run dialog box. Type the command shell, Common Startup, and click OK. This action will open the Startup folder. Go back to the desktop, where you created the shortcut for ctfmon.exe. Right-click on it and choose Copy. Paste the copied shortcut into the Startup folder. Once done, close the Startup folder. To complete the process, restart your PC. After rebooting, you'll find that the issue with the search bar not working has been resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.